Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening WhatsApp and choosing the media you will use for the status. Tap Status, then the camera icon or choose an existing image from gallery. This ensures you control the timestamp source. Once done, make sure WhatsApp has storage permission so it can access and attach the file. Without that, you cannot change or reshare saved media. If you plan to set a custom time, prepare the file in your phone's gallery first so the next steps are faster and predictable. You will now create a new instance of the media so WhatsApp treats it as fresh. Edit the photo briefly, crop, rotate, or add a small sticker, then save a copy. Next, open WhatsApp Status, select the edited file, and post it. This produces a new status entry with the current upload time. Make sure to preview before posting to avoid unwanted edits. If you want viewers to see another specific time, add that time in the caption so recipients understand the intended timestamp. You finish by verifying the Status tab shows the newly posted item with the updated time. That confirms success. If you need confirmation, ask a contact to check their status view because timestamps can vary by device clock or app sync. If the time still shows incorrectly, try clearing WhatsApp cache or restarting the phone. As a last resort, reinstalling the app will force metadata refresh. Remember, network lag and recipient device time can affect what others.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.